I can see the camera in here and I look like an idiot.
I didn't have to say anything.
Oh.
Yo, undo the wheel thing. Welcome.
Welcome back, guys.
Welcome,
Is it a good cookie? On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is that cookie? 10 being the best cookie you've ever had in your whole wide world. 11 being you want to scrunch it up and shove it into Andy's mouth.
11. We got this Mercedes. Not Mercedes. I remember I said that last video.
What kind of Mercedes is this?
Yeah, one that I can never afford.
So we got this pretty sweet Mercedes in here. Got an AMG exhaust on it. Sounds really sweet. This is in here for a wash, decon, and plus added wax. It's gonna give it some extra durability, gloss, protection. It's gonna make it look really good. Well, we're gonna get Andy on the polisher again today to sharpen his skills.
Yeah, I've been doing interiors for the past couple months.
So Andy's just giving it the final rinse, just pulled it up again, cleaned it. Got a little bit of contaminants, especially down here in this lower door area. The paint's nice and smooth, the way it should be. Next up, we're gonna move it up to the next station, dry it, pull all the cracks and crevices out, and start adding our protection. Lay down the sealant. We got time today, we're gonna throw in some extras on this car. We're gonna seal the windows up for them, and then we're gonna seal the wheels too.
Is that Andy Shaves? Andy Shaves? You need an autograph?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Hey yo.
Yo, Andy, we gotta make this video 10 minutes long because
long?
then we get paid more. So let's make some content that no one wants to watch.
So right now I am sealing the windows. Eric already cleaned them. Now I'm sealing it.
perfect.
We didn't ask for it, but we have time today, so we're gonna go above and beyond.
Yeah.
So the trick is drop your car off on a rainy day, and then we have extra time because some cars don't show up.
If you ever want to get in ahead of the crowd, because we got a crowd that always comes here, because we're pretty sick.
We are dope, awesome individuals.
Yeah.
Well, Andy just finished sealing and waxing this thing.
Oh, look, guys.
Nice and glossy. Look at the shine. It looks like it's a daily driver. It's protected. It's glossy. Pretty sure the customer's gonna be very happy with this.
Shaves Auto, Andy speaking.
Like, I answer the phones, eh? Detailer, phone calls, a little bit of everything this guy does.
Just brought a truck in because we had a cancellation. Yo guys, so we just cleaned this Mazda and just polished it all. It's looking looking really glassy.
Did you
It's
polish
really
it or
smooth.
did you wax it?
Wax. You can tell I haven't done this much, but yeah. And we did the inside as well. Yes, we did.
Show it yet or?
No, we didn't actually. Just show it, dude. Bam! White interior looks so much better. It was a little grimy. Looking fresh. Woo! Let's go, next car. So next guys, we're cleaning this Ford F-150. Looks pretty sick. They're working on the interior right now. I gotta do the mats. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna pull this car out now. Take a look at what it looks like in the sun. Make sure we did everything perfectly, and we'll give you guys a little montage.